Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another topic related to COBOL, where we will learn about a process through which we can easily uh, combine two string, or you can say concatenate the string using COBOL program. I- In other words, you can say from today onwards we are going to start the discussion related to string handling. Okay, so we will see like what all keywords are available in COBOL, what all statements are available in COBOL through which we can easily handle the string. Okay, so from this session we are going to continue the same, and particularly in this session we will see like how we can make the uh, string concatenation with the help of COBOL program and what all statement we need to use there. Okay, so for that I have already prepared one program, and firstly like I'll just walk you through the code and we will see like how we can write the syntax in order to concatenate two string in a COBOL program. And then later on, once that part is clear, then we will move to the actual notes that I have prepared here. If you can see, these are some notes that I have prepared for this topic, so it will give you some understanding of the particular topic. Okay, fine. So let's start with the program. So I'll just take option 2 over here to open this in edit mode. Here you can see we have started or initiated the identification division block first. So what is identification division? This division is mainly used to store the program related identity. So here we can see program ID is test pgm1, which is denoting program name. Author is denoted by author name is given as Sharmit. So in other, like if there is any other information which you would like to store here, and but that should be only program related identity. Okay, so that you can put, but for now we are just putting only these two information here. So if someone asks you what is the identification division block, you can simply say that whenever we are going to show some information related to program identity, then for that we will use the identification division. Below to this we have initiated the comment. So to initiate the comment, like you can put asterisk on 7th position. So when you put asterisk on 7th position, it will, after that whatever you will write will be considered as a comment. Okay, so these are the three lines that we are going to use as comment, and this I'm using just for showing you the what we can say the introduction or the topic of the session. So today we are talking about string handling in COBOL from today onwards. Okay, all right. Here I want to tell you one thing, like if you don't know what is why we have kept this space as blank and why uh, we are putting everything on a specific position, then for to understand that, what you can do, you can simply watch the previous sessions, because there we have already discussed all these things. Okay, so for now we are just focusing on the string handling part, but if you follow the entire series from in a sequential manner, then it would be very easy for you to understand the ongoing topics. Okay, because each and every session is in a proper sync and sequence. Alright, so let's focus on the string handling part. So after the comment line, we have initiated the data division block where we have mentioned the working storage section. Now under this working storage section, whatever variable you are going to use for your program, you can declare it here. So under this working storage section, I will declare the three variables that I need in my demo program. So here you can see the first variable is declared on line number 12, and here 01 is indicating the level number, then str1 is the data name. Data name is the name which we are going to use in order to uh, use this value throughout the program. Like whenever you want to refer this variable, you will use this. Okay, so str1 is a variable, pic is denoting picture clause, x of 10 is denoting the alphanumeric 10 value. Okay, and then we have value clause. So x of 10 means you can store up to 10 digit alphanumeric value, and then value clause is optional clause, but in this example we need to assign some value, that's why I'm using it value clause, and here I'm assigning the value as tech. So in my first variable, In this line number 12, you can say we have declared one variable with name str1, which can hold up to 10 digit alphanumeric value, and currently it is storing value as a tech. Now look at the second variable, which is declared in the same manner, just few things are different. So here you can see level number is same 01, variable name or data name is str2, picture clause of x of 10, value is Sharmit. Okay, so here we have just stored the value as Sharmit, in previous we have stored as tech. Now the third variable is bit different because here we are not initializing any value. So here you can see 01 is level number, then we have result, which is a variable name, and then we have PIC, which is denoting picture clause, and then x of 20. So what it will do, it can hold up to 20 digit alphanumeric value. So these are the three variables that we are going to use in order to perform this demo. Okay, now from line number 16 you can see we have initiated the procedure division. So procedure division is a division where we declare the entire main logic part of our program. Okay, fine. So let's focus on the line number 18. What we are doing here, we are using string keyword to concatenate two string. Those who don't know what is concatenation means, so you just assume we have two variable as we have declared above. So if you want to merge the values of both variable and you want to form another variable, then in that case you can utilize string concatenation method. So here you can see in str1 we have stored the value as tech, in str2 we have stored the value as Sharmit. So when you want to combine this and store it into one another variable, then you will use string, which is a keyword, string keyword, then simply write str1, which is our variable name. Then we are supposed to use this delimited by space. What is this? What it will do, it will, like we have mentioned, string str1, so it will look into str1 and it will pick the value until it reaches space. That means right now you can see there is no space, so it will pick entire value. But if, for example, if we have value something like this, so what it will do, it will pick value starting from here and will pick until it reaches space. So it space is here, so it will only pick tech, not tech space abc. Okay, so that's why we are using delimited by space. So str1 delimited by space, then str2 delimited by space again. So same thing happened, same thing is processing for this str2 as well. And then whatever output we have, like these combination are returning, will be stored into this result variable. So we just mentioned result. Okay, so string str1 delimited by space, str2 delimited by space into result variable, and then we are doing end string, and below to this we have displayed the concatenated string, which is result, and then we are setting it, turning the program flow by stop run. Okay, so I hope this program flow is clear. Let's compile and see the output so that it will give you a clear picture. So I'm just calling it. So you can see it is returning the concatenated string as text Sharmit. And one more thing I want to show you, what is why we are using delimited space. Okay, so let's say we have this value, even, yeah, for now let's keep it like this. Okay, so what it will do, it will pick only till tech, and there would be no difference in result. Why? Let's see. Same output, because as I mentioned, it will pick till delimited by space. So until a space comes, it will pick only that value. To explain it in easier way, let me show you the notes now so that it will give you the clear picture. So here you can read out these lines which we just shown. These lines of code are part of COBOL program and demonstrate the use of string statement to concatenate two string str1 and str2 and store the result into another variable result. Now for to explain it in more better way, let's break down the things. So a string str1 delimited by space, this part specifies that the content of str1 should be included in concatenation until a space is encountered. If str1 is a hello world, only hello up to the first space will be considered str2 delimited by space. Okay, so let me hit, yeah. So in this part what it will do, it will pick if, for example, if str1 is holding hello space world, so it will pick only till hello. We just saw that, right? Similarly, in str2, uh, this part specifies that the content of str2 should be included until a space is encountered. If str2 is COBOL programming, it will pick only COBOL up to the first space. Okay, fine. Then we have into result. What into result will do? Let me give a space here. Into result, this indicates that the resulting concatenated string should be stored in the variable result. Okay, so this marks the, now we have end string. What is end string? This marks the end of string statement. Example, if str1 is hello world and str2 is COBOL programming, the string statement will result containing hello world. Okay, so in summary, you can say these lines concatenate the parts of str1 and str2 to up to the first space in each and store the concatenated result in result variable. Clear? So I hope this session is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching TechSharmit.